Hello friends, myself Agrawal AS, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. Today's topic is static indeterminacy of a frame. Now the learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will be able to understand the difference between determinate and indeterminate structures, and also student will able to calculate the degree of indeterminacy of frame. Now we know that the type of the structure, first one is the determinate structure and second one is the indeterminate structure. Now the first difference, in case of the determinate structure, equilibrium conditions are adequate to analyze the structure. That is, here in case of determinate structure, sigma fx, sigma fy, sigma m, these are sufficient to analyze the structure. But in case of indeterminate structure, these conditions are not sufficient to analyze the structures. Now second difference, in case of determinate structure, bending moment or shear force at any section is independent of the material properties of the structure. It means the bending moment or shear force at any section is not depend on the modulus of elasticity, but in case of the indeterminate structure, the bending moment or shear force at any section is dependent on the modulus of elasticity. Next difference, that bending moment or shear force at any section is independent of the cross section or moment of inertia of the structure. So here in case of indeterminate structure, the area of sections or the moment of inertia does not require for the bending moment or a shear force. But in case of the indeterminate structure, a bending moment or a shear force is dependent on the cross section or a moment of inertia of the structure. Now next difference, in case of the determinate structure, no stresses causes the lack of fit due to the lack of fit and the temperature variation, because here the determinate structure is not depend on the material property. That is why here this does not produce any stresses due to lack of fit and the temperature variation. But in case of the indeterminate structure, the temperature variation or lack of fit produces the stresses the structure. That is why here extra compatibility of the displacement are required to analyze the structure along with the equilibrium conditions. So here the answer is that if the static indeterminacy of the structure is 1, it means here we have to remove the one force to make the structure determinate. If the static indeterminacy of the structure is 2, it means we have to remove the two forces to make the structure determinate. So this is the important here, that this indicate that how much forces or how many forces that we have to remove so that we can make the structure determinate. Now the formula of degree of static indeterminacy of a frame. Now dSi, that is equal to 3m plus r minus 3j. Now here m is equal to the number of members, r is equal to the number of unknown forces, and j is equal to number of joints. But here important is what, why here m is multiplied by the 3, because in the member in the frame have the axial force, shear force and bending moment. That is why here m is multiplied by the 3, and here at the j multiplied by 3 because each joint we have available the three conditions sigma fx, sigma fy and the sigma m. That is why here 3 is multiplied to the j. Now the examples here. Now calculate the DSI of the following structure. The formula is DSI is equal to 3m plus r minus 3j. Now this is the frame ABC. Now m is equal to 2, that is this member and this member. J is equal to 3, 1, 2 and 3 ABC. Now important here R. Now these are the R here. At this fixed end these are the 3 reactions, and at this fixed end these are the 3 reactions. Total is the 6. So R is equal to 6. So put all this in this formula. The DSI is equal to 3m plus R minus this 3j. Here put m is equal to 2 and put R is equal to here 6 and put here j is equal to 3. So here DSI is equal to 3 for this the frame. Next example. Now here one end is the fix and next is the roller support. So this is our formula. DSI is equal to 3m plus r minus 3j. So we know m is equal to 2. This is AB, AC member and BC member. Then j is equal to 3a, c and the b. Now what is the r? So these are the r. So at the A is a fixed support. Here is the 3 reactions RA, MA and HB, and here this B end is a roller support. Here is the only one reactions. So total reactions are the 4. So put our in this formula DSI is equal to 3m plus R minus 3j. So put m equal to 2 and here R equal to 4 and j equal to 3 in this formula. So calculate by put all this value into this equation. So here we got the DSI is equal to the 1. The next problem here, a frame is a fixed end. This is a hinge. Again our formula is DSI is equal to in bracket 3m plus r bracket complete minus 3j. So here how many members here? 3, 1, this is 2 and this is the 3. Then the joints are A, B, C, D. There are 4 joints. Now what are the reactions here? These are the reactions. So at A, the 3 reactions RA, HA and MA, and at the joint D, 2 reactions RD and HD. So reactions are the 5. So again our formula DSI is equal to in bracket 3m plus r bracket complete minus 3j. So here put the value here m equal to 3 and then r equal to 5 and j equal to the 4. So we got the value DSI is equal to the 2. Then next, this is the frame. So A end is a fix also and D end is also the fix. So in this case, how to calculate the DSI? This is our formula in bracket 3m plus r bracket complete minus the 3j. Now m equal to 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then how much j? A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. These are the 4 joints. Now the number of reactions are here 6. That is at the A because of fixed end 3 reactions and at the D because of fixed reaction 3. So total is the R is equal to 6. So put all this in our formula. Here put M is equal to 3 here, R is equal to 6 and J is equal to the 4. So we got here the DSI is equal to the 3. The next here this frame. Now again the formula is the same. Now members are how much is 6 members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then J is equal to also the 6 A, B, C, D and E. And the reactions that we know 1, 2, at the A is the 3 and the E is the 3. So reactions are the 6. So put all this in this formula. Here M is equal to 6, R equal to 6 and J equal to 6. So here we got the DSI is equal to 6. Now sometimes the frame is with the internal hinge here. Now here the formula is to modify here only the minus H. Due to the insert of the hinge, the stresses, the forces are released. Forces are the release here. What is the important is only the H. So what is the H is equal to what? In bracket N minus 1. So this is the value of the here H. So these are the number of forces that release the structure automatically due to the insert of the internal hinge. Now suppose this is the frame is having the hinge at the C. The formula is 3m in bracket 3m plus R bracket complete minus 3j minus the H. So here again m equal to 2, that is AC, and this the next. Then j equal to 1, 2 and 3, and here the reactions are the 6. Now what is the next is what important is H is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to what? Number of member connected to the hinge. So at the C, how many members connected? This member AC and this member BC is connected. So 2 members. So 2 minus 1. So H is equal to 1. So put all this value in this equation here. DSI is equal to 3 into 2 plus 6 bracket complete minus 3 into 3, and here put H is equal to the 1. So we got the DSI is equal to 2. The next here again hinge at the C, but some support are to be here changes. The again M is equal to 2, then J equal to 3, reactions are the 5. Then here H is equal to what? N minus 1, number of member connected to the hinge. So at the hinge here number is AC and the only BC 2 members. So here H equal to 1. So put all this in formula. So here we got the value of DSI is equal to the 1. Now here the M is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then J is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And these are the reaction 6. Now here H is equal to in bracket N minus 1. This is important here. Here is a 3 minus 1 because at this hinge 3 members are connected. 1 member, 2 member and 3 member. That is why put here 3 minus 1. So H is equal to 2. So put all this value here. M is equal to 6. Then R is equal to the 6. Then here J is equal to 6. And here H is equal to 2. So we got the value of DSI is equal to the 4. Now last one here. Now this is the frame. M is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here J is equal to the 5. Then reactions are the here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then R is equal to 5. H is equal to the N minus 1. And H is equal to here the at hinge the 2 members are the connected. So 2 minus 1. So put all this value in the formula. So we got the value of DSI is equal to the